Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to delete a YouTube activity history on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that.
Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos.
Yes, from my mobile phone I just open YouTube application, so I just want to pause my history. So what I have to do here, on top you will find your username. Just hit the button and just go to settings option. Once you select this one, this is your account, just go to settings. Once you go to settings option, so there is a history and privacy. Just select history and privacy. You will have your clear watch history, clear search history, pause watch history, pause search history will be there, so that you can have your entire activities here. So you can clear your watch history, just click and clear your watch history, or just click here to search your watch history. What are you searching, everything will be clear. And you can just enable this option so that you can pause your watch history. What are your history you're watching, everything will be paused over here. So what are you searching, it will be pause your entire history. So you can enable this option. So if you want to see entire activities, just select a manage all activity. Once you select manage all activity, it will open like a Google Chrome, so that you can see entire activities. What are you seeing, everything will be there, so that you can able to identify. Now I cleared every history so that I cannot able to show what are the informations. So you can auto delete all the items, that's why I'm enabled pause history. Just click controls. What are the controls you have, everything will be displayed over here. Include your watch history and include your search, everything will be there, so you can check it out and you can clear your activities. And what are the interaction you have, for example, you have your comments, you have your likes, you have your dislike and live YouTube chat, everything will be there. You can see the activities and you can see the dislike and like and comments, so that you can delete and have access. For example, I have given this comments so that if you want you can see, otherwise you can delete. All the activities will be there. If you want this activity should be removed, you can do according to your needs. So that what are the comments you given, everything will be stored in your account, so that you can able to enable, you can able to give a chat option. So this is my chat, so that I can delete and I can have access. So what are the chat I have, everything will be there, so that I can able to check it out and delete. Otherwise I can pause my history, so I can delete my history, I can clear my history. This is my YouTube entire activities will be stored in history and privacy. Using this option you can clear your entire history and manage your entire all activities. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.